Hi traders, um, good afternoon or maybe good evening for you guys. So this is not a live trade, but just I didn't manage to capture it live yesterday because of internet connectivity. I at this moment at somewhere with low internet connectivity, and as you can see, the profit from 11 of sorry not 11, so 7 of December, which is 7 of December 2018 for January contract 2019. So I've managed to secure 590 US dollar in profit. So it's around 59 ticks. So as you can see, there is a multiple entry based on my position because the price uh, didn't break through to the higher level. So just nearest high, then it reversed back to the downside. And most likely I have managed to secure a lot of profit on the buying position. So this is the first trade I made, this is the second trade I made. So you can see it's quite clear that there is a big spike. Okay, let me clear up everything. Okay, if you can see, this is my first entry. So I did manage to take the first, I think, around 28 ticks, and the second one also on the buying position, almost at the same price amount, price entry. And because we have both signal last night from my setup strategy for buying position, so it was a good one. So the price break through the high here, the nearest high, but it cannot pass to the further upward movement, so to the nearest resistance level, which is at 54.92, which is here. So but after all, it was a good one. 59 ticks cumulative from yesterday, 7 of December 2018. So perhaps next week also will be a good one. So this is quite good, 59 ticks. So my trading setup always provide me during US session 1 or 2 signal for buying position. So based on recent performance, it's quite good, very high profitability. Most likely I choose to trade 1 or 2 time per US session. So based on this situation, the chances will be more on the profit compared to the losses, because it will be a quick one. So as you can see here, I did enter with this candle. So this is a 5-minute candle and exit the next candle. So it's around 28 ticks, should be around within 10 minutes time. It's quite easy. So daily, most likely you saw my video, all the trading setup provided signal only require me to stay in the market within 5 to 15 minutes. So that's the best. So you don't have to wait longer. So as long I've reached my target around 200 ticks or 28 ticks per day, then I will close my position. So only yesterday I received a 2 trading setup for buying position. So I did manage to enter the market, both at a good profit. So that's why the total is quite high, 590 US dollar in profit. So guys, please subscribe this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos in future. So I will keep updating all my profit and losses for crude oil market, futures market, and this is based on my trading setup, especially in during US session. So the target daily is around 200 to 400 or 500, it depends, but try to make it simple. 5 minutes or 10 minutes time, I have to exit the market with profit. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.